Hi friends! A brand new Lawn Fawn release has arrived. The spring release is always my favorite release of the year. All the stamps and dies are super cute and they just bring a smile to my face. I can't wait to show you everything I got, so let's go! This was yet again such a fun box to unpack. I love the birds, the graduation mice, the new interactive die, and everything else. I think I'll go play with everything now. Thank you to the team of Cloud9 Crafts for this festive package. I'm a happy girl here. I will see you next time. Bye!